हेलो एभ्रिवान। आज चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिस पोएट्री मात्रै सुनाउँछु भनेर आएको थिएँ म। तर इङ्ग्लिस पोएट्री सुनाउनु अगाडि एउटा सानो 4 लाइनको सायरी सुनाउनु मन लाग्यो मलाई। हाम्रो राहुल भाइजान आपके लिए आपसे इंस्पायर्ड होके लिखा था मैंने, तो अर्ज क्या है। इतना खुशनसीब तो नहीं कि तुम्हारी मोहब्बत पा सकूं, बस कुछ लम्हे मेरे नाम कर देना। इतना खुशनसीब तो नहीं कि तुम्हारी मोहब्बत पा सकूं, बस कुछ लम्हे मेरे नाम कर देना। खुशियाँ चाहे किसी और के साथ बांट लो तुम, खुशियाँ चाहे किसी और के साथ बांट लो तुम, तुम्हारे जितने भी गम है वो मेरे नाम कर देना। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हरेक बुधबार साँझ 6 बजेदेखि मात्र ब्राभो क्याफे एन्ड बारमा।
यो अर्को इङ्ग्लिस पोएट्री सुनाउनु अगाडि चाहिँ सानो एउटा कुरा भन्नु मलाई। हामी सबैभित्र चाहिँ भगवान् हुन्छ अरे क्या, भगवान्को एउटा अंश हुन्छ भनेर भन्छ होइन। सो अहिले अब यो कविता सुन्नु अगाडि चाहिँ सबैजनाले आफ्नो भगवान्लाई चाहिँ अगाडि राखेर म आफै भगवान् हो भनेर सुनौँ। मेबी आई क्यान गेट सम एन्सर्स। यो पोएमको टाइटल चाहिँ गड क्यान यु हियर मी भनेर छ। God, can you hear me? Kill the demon of mine and spare me. The demon which the society gave birth to, which not only ruins but even hurts you. Kill the demon of envy and anger. Should it warm or just hang her, as it is giving birth to demon called greediness. Now my dreams are shattered, my life's a mess. Now I'm too stuck in this rat race, running over and over to be in the first place. God, just kill the demon and free the kid in me before he breaks me down and pin me. 1, 2, 3, tap, it's over, I lost. See God, I told you to kill it fast. Now my heart is broken and hate is blast. God, can you even hear me speak? Or you can't cause you're at the top of the peak and I'm at the bottom screaming like crazy. I did the investment on you, now you pay me. God, can you hear me? I have a lot of things to tell. Humanity is locked when it's a spell. Why the sun dimmed and looked so pale? Are we really in earth or is this the hell? Are you the one who made this universe? Then why is it bounded with so many curses? Do you have the blueprint of how you planned it? You're merciless, cause there's no life on other planet. Why did you make humans with no humanity, with no unity and 0% sanity? All I see is devils running after power and money. Mother Nature crying, people still feeling sunny. God, can you even speak? God, can you even hear what I just said? Or are you busy with angels getting laid? Answer me, God, where should I go? Church, masjid or temple to bow? Are you ignoring us or your work is very slow? Is Allah, Shiva, Jesus all same? Or are you all siblings playing game with the universe which is said that you created? I guess you are fed up with your toys, so you hated us cause you haven't came though we waited. Now your principles are just pillar for business. God, just reply me why your creation is a mess. I hope that you made Adam and Eve. I hope that you made Adam and Eve. It is what always said, so I do believe. A boy and a girl, what a perfect combination. The first couple of your newly made nation. Love was established since then, but what happened to this generation? From love you till I die to hope you will die. From baby please don't leave me to forever bye. From gifting rings and teddy to giving pills. From forever together to relationship kills. From feeling of love to feeling of hate. From you are perfect to 0/10 during raid. From favorite future to worst past. From love is blind to he or she is intercaste. 2 years of marriage and they are divorced. 2 weeks of relationship and she is forced to sleep. People are so materialized they don't know this problem is too deep. Everyone suffering from HIV, head in veins. Is it I, you or we who have lost all sense? Thank you very much. Not satisfied. Her body was hypnotizing like a mirage, just too good to be real. Those curves and those nipples are truly God's masterpiece. Watching her raw skin slowly being covered up as she was wearing her dress while I was still naked, relaxed, and smoking that last joint. Her smile was really mesmerizing and something different. Something else, different than the way my ex used to smile looking at me. On that burning summer day, I felt cold. My body felt the same like when I masturbate. That's not how I used to feel. But that day I was feeling guilty, lonely, and my heart was filled with regret that I won't ever see the smile of my loved ones. And about the beauty with whom I was that day. She took her money, left the room, leaving me with my guilt and roses. Thank you very much.
हरेक बुधबार साँझ 6 बजेदेखि मात्र ब्राभो क्याफे एन्ड बारमा